Welcome everyone to this video. Dhoni Waterfalls is located around 8 kilometers from Palakkad Junction in Olavakode. This is perhaps one of the most famous waterfalls in Palakkad district. The forest department opens its gates around 10 o'clock in the morning, after which tourists need to purchase a ticket from the counter. Per person, it costs 120 rupees. There are two treks in a day to the falls, one at 10:30 am and the other at 1:30 pm. It's a 4-kilometer trek uphill through the forest, which takes about 1.5 hours to complete. Tourists are guided by a forest guard. We took the 10:30 am trek and reached around 12 noon. Once there, we spent about 30 minutes soaking in the sights and sound of this wonderful waterfall. Around 100 meters uphill from the viewpoint is another vantage point, from where you can see the drop of the fall. This place is extremely beautiful as well. The downhill return journey takes about 1 hour to complete, and although this trek can be difficult for older legs, I think it is definitely worth it. Thanks for watching.